In this video, I will show you the exact steps to resolve those frustrating Google Workspace integration errors that sometimes pop up while using Claude. If you have been trying to pull data from your Google Drive or Docs only to be met with a connection failure or a generic error message, the solution is actually much simpler than you might think. Most of these glitches happen because the authentication token between Anthropic and Google has expired or become desynced. To fix this, you need to perform a clean refresh of the connection. Start by navigating to your Claude homepage and look for your profile icon or name in the bottom left corner. Click on that to open your account menu and select the Settings option. Once the Settings window appears, look for the tab labeled Connectors. This is where all your third-party integrations live. You will see Google listed there with a status indicating that it is currently connected. You need to click the Disconnect button next to the Google integration. This will sever the current link and clear out any bad authentication data that was causing the error. Once it is fully disconnected, simply click the Connect button again. A pop-up window will appear asking you to sign into your Google account and grant Claude permission to access your files again. Make sure you select the correct Workspace account and hit Allow. This simple toggle resets the handshake between the two platforms and almost always clears up any lingering errors immediately.